Welcome to our comprehensive guide for senior Android developer interviews. In this video, we'll walk through the top questions and answers that can help you ace your next interview. Whether you're preparing for a technical round or just want to brush up on your Android expertise, this video covers architecture, performance, testing, security, and more. We'll also share practical strategies and real-world examples to make your responses stand out. Let's dive in and explore what it takes to impress interviewers and land your dream Android development role. One of the most common interview questions for senior Android developers is about complex app architectures you've implemented. A strong answer highlights your experience with patterns like MVVM, which separates UI and business logic for easier testing and maintenance. You might discuss using view models for managing UI logic, repositories for data handling, and live data for automatic UI updates. Explaining why you chose this architecture, such as scalability and maintainability, demonstrates your ability to make thoughtful technical decisions. Managing dependencies in large Android projects is crucial for modularity and testability. Senior developers often use dependency injection frameworks like Dagger or Hilt. These tools handle dependencies at compile time, reducing repetitive code and making the project more modular. Hilt in particular simplifies the process with predefined components and scopes, allowing you to focus on building features rather than wiring dependencies manually. Sharing your experience with DI frameworks shows your commitment to clean, scalable code. Proving performance is a key responsibility for senior Android developers. Interviewers may ask about strategies you use to optimize apps. Effective answers include simplifying layouts by reducing their depth, using Recycler View instead of List View, preventing memory leaks with weak references and proper lifecycle management, and leveraging ProGuard or R8 for code shrinking and optimization. Running background tasks with Work Manager or coroutines also boosts efficiency. Detailing these strategies shows your practical approach to building high-performance apps. Understanding asynchronous programming is essential for modern Android development. Coroutines simplify asynchronous tasks by making code more readable and manageable, allowing you to write sequential-looking code that runs in the background. Flow, a reactive stream API, works with coroutines to handle asynchronous data streams, emitting multiple values over time. Explaining how you use coroutines and Flow demonstrates your proficiency with Kotlin and your ability to build responsive, efficient apps. Testing is a fundamental part of Android development. Senior developers should be familiar with unit testing using JUnit and Mockito, UI testing with Espresso, integration testing to ensure components work together, and end-to-end testing for the complete user journey. Test-driven development (TDD) is another valuable approach, where tests are written before features are implemented. Sharing your testing strategy shows your commitment to reliability and quality in app development. Webpack Compose is revolutionizing Android UI development. Unlike the traditional view system, Compose uses a declarative approach, allowing you to create UI components directly in Kotlin code. This method is more concise and flexible, with built-in state management and automatic UI updates recomposition. Explaining the differences and benefits of Jetpack Compose shows your familiarity with modern Android tools and your ability to adapt to new technologies. Optimizing apps for scalability and maintainability is a hallmark of senior developers. You might describe adopting a modular architecture, breaking features into independent modules for better organization and easier maintenance. This approach also enables parallel development. Using view models and live data for effective state management further enhances scalability. Sharing such experiences demonstrates your ability to build robust, future-proof applications. Handling security concerns is vital in Android development. Senior developers secure data storage with encryption, such as encrypted shared preferences, use HTTPS for secure data transmission, and implement proper authentication and authorization like OAuth. Validating user input prevents vulnerabilities like injection attacks, and obfuscating code with ProGuard or R8 protects against reverse engineering. Discussing these practices shows your dedication to building secure applications. Continuous integration and continuous delivery, CI/CD, are essential for efficient Android development. Setting up CI/CD pipelines with tools like Jenkins, GitHub Actions, or Bitrace automates build, test, and deployment processes. Using branching strategies like Git flow and version control, and including automated tests in the pipeline helps catch issues early. Sharing your approach to CI/CD demonstrates your ability to streamline development workflow. Keeping up with the latest trends is crucial for senior Android developers. Following Android development blogs, the official Android developer website, and engaging in communities like Stack Overflow and Reddit are effective ways to stay informed. Attending industry conferences, webinars, and taking online courses or tutorials also helps. Experimenting with new libraries and tools in personal projects keeps your skills sharp and relevant. Building a strong professional network can accelerate your Android development career. Platforms like LinkedIn, GitHub, Instagram, and WhatsApp offer opportunities to connect with other developers, share knowledge, and stay updated. Joining groups such as the Profession Android Developer Group, which has over 900 members, provides access to a thriving community and valuable resources. Networking helps you learn from peers and discover new opportunities. Advance your career as a senior Android developer. Focus on continuous learning and skill development. Participate in online courses, attend webinars, and stay active in developer communities. Experiment with new technologies and contribute to open-source projects. Building a portfolio of personal projects and sharing your expertise through articles or talks can also enhance your professional reputation and open doors to new roles. Understanding architecture patterns is fundamental for senior Android developers. MVVM, MVP, and clean architecture are commonly used to organize code and separate concerns. Explaining why and when you use each pattern demonstrates your ability to choose the right approach for different projects. Highlighting the benefits such as testability, scalability, and maintainability shows your depth of knowledge and practical experience. Creating custom UI elements like sliders and Jetpack Compose demonstrates your ability to build engaging user interfaces. A slider allows users to select values within a range, and implementing it in Compose showcases your proficiency with declarative UI and state management. Discussing custom UI components in interviews highlights your creativity and technical skills, making you stand out as a senior developer. Solid understanding of data structures and algorithms is essential for Android development. These concepts help you write efficient code, optimize performance, and solve complex problems. Interviewers may ask about your experience with lists, maps, trees, and sorting algorithms. Demonstrating your ability to apply these concepts in real-world scenarios shows your technical depth and problem-solving skills. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, are transforming Android development. Integrating AI and ML features such as image recognition or predictive analytics can enhance app functionality and user experience. Sharing your experience with AI ML libraries and frameworks in interviews demonstrates your ability to innovate and stay ahead of industry trends. Choosing the right networking solution is crucial for Android apps. Retrofit and KTOR are popular libraries for handling network requests. Retrofit is known for its simplicity and integration with REST APIs, while KTOR offers flexibility and supports multiple protocols. Explaining the strengths and use cases for each library shows your ability to select the best tools for your project. Effective state management is key to building responsive Android apps. ViewModel, Live Data, and Stateflow are commonly used to manage UI state and handle data updates. Poorly designed models can lead to complications, so it's important to structure state management carefully. Sharing your approach to modeling ViewModel state demonstrates your ability to build clean, scalable applications. Mastering Kotlin coroutines is essential for handling asynchronous operations in Android. Advanced coroutine techniques such as structured concurrency and cancellation help you manage complex tasks efficiently. Sharing your knowledge of coroutine scopes, dispatchers, and best practices in interviews demonstrates your expertise and readiness for senior roles. Writing clean, maintainable code is a hallmark of senior Android developers. Using meaningful variable names, following consistent formatting, and applying solid principles ensures your code is easy to read and extend. Sharing examples of how you refactor code and enforce standards in your projects highlights your commitment to quality and professionalism. Automated testing tools like Espresso, JUnit, and Mockito are essential for ensuring app reliability. Espresso is used for UI testing, JUnit for unit tests, and Mockito for mocking dependencies. Integrating these tools into your CI/CD pipeline helps catch issues early and maintain high-quality code. Discussing your experience with automated testing tools shows your dedication to robust development practices. Code shrinking and obfuscation are important for protecting your Android apps. Tools like ProGuard and R8 reduce the size of your APK and make it harder to reverse engineer your code. Explaining how you configure these tools and the benefits they provide demonstrates your attention to security and performance. Managing background tasks efficiently is crucial for Android apps. Work Manager and Kotlin coroutines are popular tools for running tasks outside the main thread. Work Manager handles scheduled and guaranteed tasks, while coroutines simplify asynchronous operations. Sharing your approach to background task management shows your ability to build responsive and reliable applications. Effective version control is essential for collaborative Android development. Branching strategies like Gitflow help manage feature development, bug fixes, and releases. Using pull requests and code reviews ensures quality and consistency. Sharing your experience with version control tools and strategies demonstrates your ability to work in team environments and maintain organized codebases. Validating user input is critical for preventing security vulnerabilities in Android apps. Techniques include checking input formats, sanitizing data, and using regular expressions. Proper validation helps prevent injection attacks and ensures data integrity. Discussing your approach to input validation shows your commitment to building secure and reliable applications. Implementing authentication and authorization is essential for secure Android apps. OAuth is a popular protocol for managing user access, while Firebase Authentication offers easy integration. Explaining how you implement these features and handle user sessions demonstrates your ability to build secure and user-friendly applications. Securing data storage is a priority for Android developers. Using encrypted shared preferences or SQL cipher ensures sensitive data is protected. Explaining your approach to encryption and secure storage demonstrates your attention to privacy and compliance with industry standards. Designing modular apps improves scalability and maintainability. Breaking features into independent modules allows for parallel development and easier updates. Sharing your experience with modular design and its benefits demonstrates your ability to build robust and flexible applications. Live Data and Stateflow are powerful tools for managing UI state in Android apps. Live Data is lifecycle aware and automatically updates the UI, while Stateflow offers a more modern, reactive approach. Explaining how you use these tools to handle data changes and UI updates demonstrates your proficiency with state management. Espresso is a popular tool for automated UI testing in Android. It allows you to simulate user interactions and verify UI behavior. Integrating Espresso tests into your CI/CD pipeline ensures your app's interface remains reliable across updates. Sharing your experience with UI testing demonstrates your commitment to quality assurance. Integration testing ensures that different components of your Android app work together seamlessly. Tools like JUnit and Mockito help test interactions between modules. Sharing your approach to integration testing demonstrates your ability to build cohesive and reliable applications. End-to-end testing covers the complete user journey across your Android app. It ensures that all features work as expected from start to finish. Sharing your experience with end-to-end testing demonstrates your thoroughness and attention to detail in app development. Test-driven development (TDD) is a valuable approach for building reliable Android apps. Writing tests before implementing features ensures that your code meets requirements and remains robust. Sharing your experience with TDD demonstrates your commitment to quality and disciplined development practices. Jetpack Compose enables declarative UI development in Android. Creating UI components directly in Kotlin code is more concise and flexible than XML. Built-in state management and automatic UI updates make Compose a powerful tool for modern app development. Sharing your experience with Compose demonstrates your adaptability and proficiency with new technologies. Modular architecture allows for parallel development, enabling multiple teams to work on different features simultaneously. This approach speeds up development and improves code organization. Sharing your experience with parallel development highlights your ability to manage large projects efficiently. Using view models and live data for state management ensures your Android app remains responsive and organized. View models handle UI logic, while live data automatically updates the UI when data changes. Sharing your approach to state management demonstrates your ability to build robust and maintainable applications. Using HTTPS for data transmission is essential for securing Android apps. HTTPS encrypts data sent between the app and server, protecting user information from interception. Sharing your approach to secure data transmission demonstrates your commitment to privacy and security. Obfuscating code with tools like ProGuard or R8 protects your Android app from reverse engineering. These tools rename classes and methods, making it harder for attackers to understand your code. Sharing your experience with code obfuscation demonstrates your attention to security and intellectual property protection. Automating build and deployment processes with CI/CD tools streamlines Android development. Jenkins, GitHub Actions, and Bitrise are popular choices for setting up pipelines. Automated builds and deployments reduce manual errors and speed up release cycles. Sharing your experience with automation demonstrates your efficiency and professionalism. Using branching strategies like Gitflow helps manage development workflows in Android projects. Gitflow organizes feature branches, bug fixes, and releases, making collaboration easier. Sharing your approach to branching demonstrates your ability to maintain organized and efficient codebases. Including automated tests in your CI/CD pipeline helps catch issues early in the development process. This proactive approach ensures your app remains stable and reduces the risk of bugs reaching production. Sharing your experience with early issue detection demonstrates your commitment to quality and reliability. Experimenting with new libraries and tools in personal projects keeps your Android development skills sharp. Trying out innovative solutions and staying curious helps you adapt to industry changes. Sharing your learning and experimentation strategies demonstrates your passion for growth and continuous improvement. Engaging in developer communities like Stack Overflow and Reddit helps you stay updated and solve problems quickly. Sharing knowledge, asking questions, and participating in discussions fosters collaboration and learning. Highlighting your community engagement demonstrates your commitment to professional development and teamwork. Summary: preparing for senior Android developer interviews involves mastering architecture patterns, performance optimization, testing strategies, security practices, and staying updated with industry trends. Building a strong professional network and engaging in continuous learning are equally important. Applying these insights and sharing your experiences confidently, you'll be well equipped to impress interviewers and advance your Android development career. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Keep learning and growing.